Collecting real-world data still means sending teams into the field. Vehicles, planning, delays. Every survey costs time and money. With Mapersive AI auto feature extraction, every pixel in your street-level imagery means something. You don't collect data, you ask for it. Describe the feature you want. Mapersive turns it into an AI task. The platform scans your tours automatically. You monitor progress in real time. Review the results. Approve, reject. Only validated features enter your dataset structured and ready to use. No field trips, no manual digitizing. But the real shift is organizational. Your imagery is no longer a one-time survey. It becomes a permanent survey infrastructure. Every department can ask new questions. Again, and again, and again. Operations, planning, maintenance, safety. Each need becomes an AI survey. An idea appears. The organization queries reality. Your tours turn into a continuously exploitable asset, a gold mine of on-demand measurements. Not campaigns, not projects. Continuous knowledge production. Mapersive AI auto feature extraction. Query the real world.